In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable sync for important emails in Gmail. Alright, so I'm starting here on my browser and I'm just going to head over to gmail.com. Once the page loads up, I'll go ahead and make sure I'm signed into my account. And now I'm looking at my inbox with all my emails showing. From here, I'm going to move up to the top right corner of the screen and you'll see that little gear icon. That's the settings button. I'm just going to click on that. And a small panel slides out with some quick options. Now instead of using the quick settings, I'm going to go ahead and click on See All Settings, because that takes us into the full settings page where we can change more detailed options. So I'll click that, and now we're on the main settings screen. Across the top you'll see different tabs like General, Labels, Inbox, and a few others. What I'm going to do here is click on Inbox, since that's where the important settings are located. Alright, now that I'm in the Inbox tab, I'm just going to scroll down a bit until I find the section called Importance Markers. It might take a second to get there, so I'll just keep scrolling slowly. Okay, here it is, Importance Markers. You'll see a couple of options here that control how Gmail marks emails as important or not. What we want to do is turn that off, so Gmail stops highlighting or syncing those importance indicators. So, I'm going to select the option that says No Markers. I'll just click on that so it's selected. Once that's done, Gmail won't show those importance markers anymore. Now at this point the change is made, but it's not saved yet, so we need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. I'm just going to scroll all the way down until I see the Save Changes button. There it is, right at the bottom. I'm going to click on Save Changes, and Gmail refreshes and takes me back to my inbox, and that's it. Now those importance markers are disabled, so you won't see Gmail marking certain emails as important anymore.